Now maybe it works? I'm Raleigh, and this is Jimbo, my home, and this is Nemo, my other home. Together with my fiance Oliver, we travel from California to Germany in order to be together, doing woodwork and living on the road. So you'll usually find us exploring the local coastline, traveling, backpacking, mostly carving. Right now, like most of you, we're settled in one place, enjoying the conveniences like running water and unlimited electricity. We set up shop here at a family home in order to make and enjoy the small things in life. I'd love to invite you to follow along in our craft, our travels, journeys on the road, and soaking up all that we can. It would mean the world to me if you liked this video and subscribed below. Do you think that worked?